Welcome back. I'm Keith Hill, and today we're diving into the smartest investments for 2025, crucial for building wealth and securing your future. The economic landscape is always shifting, so knowing where to put your money is more important than ever. We'll break down top investment opportunities for the coming year, many accessible to anyone no matter your experience or starting amount. From classic strategies to modern approaches, we'll cover actionable ways to grow your wealth in 2025 and beyond. Investing isn't just for the ultra-rich, it's a tool everyone can use. Let's jump in. First up, the stock market. Still one of the most reliable ways to build wealth over time. Forget the hype about overnight fortunes or losses. Real success comes from long-term, consistent investing. When you buy stocks, you're buying a piece of real businesses. As they grow, so does your investment. Picking individual stocks is tough, so for most people, index funds or ETFs are the way to go. Index funds let you own a slice of many companies at once, spreading out risk and tracking the overall market. The S&P 500, for example, represents the largest US companies and has historically trended upward over time. Diversification is key. It protects you from any single company's bad year. Even with market ups and downs, staying invested has outpaced inflation and most other investments. Don't try to time the market. Instead, invest regularly. This is called dollar cost averaging. Buy more shares when prices are low, fewer when high, and let your average cost even out. The market will have bad days, but don't panic sell. Downturns can be buying opportunities if you believe in long-term growth. Remember, investing is a marathon. Patience and consistency let compounding work its magic. Start early, even with small amounts, and stick with it. The stock market can be your engine for wealth in 2025 and beyond. Don't let fear keep you from this powerful tool. Get started and stay the course. Next, let's talk real estate, a classic path to long-term wealth. Real estate offers tangible assets and multiple income streams, especially through rental properties. Rental income can cover your mortgage and expenses, leaving you with steady cash flow. Over time, property values tend to rise, building your equity and net worth. Real estate also comes with tax perks, like mortgage interest and depreciation deductions. Leverage is another advantage. With a mortgage, you control a large asset with a smaller upfront investment, amplifying your returns. But remember, leverage also increases risk if property values fall. Being a landlord isn't for everyone. Tenants and repairs can be a hassle. You can hire property managers or, for a hands-off approach, invest in REITs, real estate investment trusts. Direct ownership can be rewarding if you do your homework, research markets, analyze numbers, and buy in areas with strong demand. Look for locations with job growth, good schools, and amenities. Don't rush. Find properties that fit your goals and risk tolerance. Real estate is a long game, but it can pave the way to financial independence. In 2025, pay attention to market trends and interest rates. The right property in the right place can make all the difference. Real estate isn't just an investment, it's a wealth-building strategy. Consider if it fits your plan. Now, let's shift to safety high-yield savings accounts, or HISAs. HISAs aren't about getting rich, they're about protecting your cash and keeping it accessible. They're perfect for emergency funds, offering better interest than regular savings accounts. Online banks often provide the best rates, helping your money keep up with inflation. FDIC insurance protects your funds up to $250,000, so your emergency cash is safe. Liquidity matters. HISAs let you access your money quickly when you need it. Aim for 3-6 months of living expenses in your HISA, more if your income is unstable. Use HISAs for short-term goals too, like saving for a down payment or vacation. Shop around for the best rates as they can change. A well-funded HISA reduces stress and keeps your investments on track. It's a foundational piece of your financial plan. Let's talk retirement. Planning now shapes your future quality of life. Retirement accounts like 401(k)s and IRAs offer huge tax advantages. Traditional accounts use pre-tax dollars, lowering your taxable income now. You pay taxes when you withdraw in retirement. Roth accounts use after-tax dollars, but your investments grow and can be withdrawn tax-free later. If your employer offers a 401(k) match, contribute enough to get the full match. It's free money. IRAs give you more investment choices and can be used alongside a 401(k). Contribution limits are lower for IRAs, but every bit helps. Inside these accounts, invest in diversified assets like index funds or ETFs. When you're younger, you can take more risk. Shift to safer investments as you near retirement. The power of compounding in these accounts is massive. Start early and automate contributions. Even small, regular contributions add up over decades. For 2025, review your options, maximize your match, and consider opening an IRA. Make retirement savings a priority. Your future self will thank you. Don't wait. Start building your nest egg now. Secure your long-term financial freedom. Beyond traditional investments, consider building your own income streams. Side hustles and small businesses can boost your earning power and accelerate wealth building. Use extra income to invest more aggressively or reach goals faster. Side hustles can be freelancing, online gigs, or starting a small business, whatever fits your skills and interests. Many require little upfront investment, just your time and expertise. Skills learned, like marketing or financial management, are valuable, even if your first venture isn't a hit. Online platforms make it easier than ever to reach customers or clients. Content creation, e-commerce, or digital products can all become income streams. Choose something you enjoy to stay motivated. Even a few hours a week can make a big difference over time. In 2025, think about what skills you have or could develop that are in demand. Expanding your income is a powerful investment in yourself. Don't just save, earn more, and invest the difference. One of the best investments? Yourself, your education, skills, and personal growth. The more you learn, the more valuable you become in your career or business. This isn't just about degrees. Online courses, certifications, and self-study all count. Affordable resources like Coursera, Udemy, or even YouTube can teach you new skills. Books, workshops, and networking can open doors and spark new ideas. Don't overlook soft skills. Communication, leadership, and time management set you apart. Mentorship and learning from others can accelerate your growth. New skills can lead to better jobs, higher income, and smarter financial decisions. The returns on self-investment compound over time. In 2025, pick a skill or area to improve that will open new opportunities. Growing your knowledge is never a wasted investment. Invest in yourself for limitless upside. Let's explore some alternative investments like peer-to-peer lending, REITs, and collectibles. These options carry different risks, so do your homework before diving in. Peer-to-peer lending lets you act as the bank, earning interest by funding loans through online platforms. Returns can be higher than traditional savings, but there's risk if borrowers default. Diversify across many loans to reduce risk, but understand it's not foolproof. REITs let you invest in real estate without owning property, offering steady dividends and easy trading. They're sensitive to market swings, so don't put all your eggs here. Alternative assets like art, wine, or collectibles are now accessible through fractional shares. These are speculative and illiquid. Only invest a small portion if you're interested and understand the market. For most, these should complement, not replace, your core investments. Make sure your basics, emergency fund, index funds, retirement, are covered first. If you want to diversify further, start small and research thoroughly. Don't chase hype or trends blindly. Alternative assets can add spice but shouldn't be your main course. Use them wisely for diversification. That's a wrap on top investments for 2025. We've covered stocks, real estate, savings, retirement, side hustles, self-education, and alternatives. Don't try everything at once. Choose what fits your goals, risk tolerance, and timeline. The best strategy is one you understand and can stick with. Start small, stay consistent, and let compounding work for you. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more financial tips. Comment below. Which investment are you most excited about for 2025? Thanks for watching.